Good morning, all the office bearers of ISPPD and delegates of PIDO Odisha 2021. Myself, Dr. Yash Bafna from Sakalchand Patel University, Visnagar. Today's topic is mini implants, a novel approach to irreplaceable our teeth, a case report. Avulsion, as you know, it is a complete displacement of tooth from alveolus, secondary to trauma. You can see in figure, there is a complete loss of 1-1. It is more frequently seen in male, 3:1 ratio. The frequency is 1:16% of all the dental injuries. And maxillary center incisor is the most commonly affected tooth, and the age group is 7 to 10 years. There are various etiology, the most common being road traffic accident and direct contact sports are other etiology. Whenever such cases come, you have to make a decision, and decision is based on various factors. The first factor is extraoral storage time, extraoral storage media, and stage of root development and status of periodontal ligament. Whenever you plan a treatment, it is based on whether tooth is available or not available. If tooth is available, then you can go ahead with reimplantation followed by pulp therapy or pulp therapy followed by reimplantation. If tooth recovery is not possible, then auto transplantation, interim removal or fixed prosthesis is another option. Now in auto transplantation cases, either premolar or canine can be placed in place of incisor, and then later on reshaping can be done with the composite to a normal incisor. In case of interim prosthesis, you can go ahead with fixed with a cantilever bridge or with a removable partial denture. You can rebuild the aesthetic. Replantation is the best choice, but the reinsertion and splinting is done for 1 to 2 weeks with the objective to prevent the permanent loss of tooth, restoration of function, speech, and aesthetic harmony. This is the procedure for reimplantation. Local anesthesia has to be given. You have to clean the socket, reimplant the tooth, and once the tooth is in position, then splint it. And initiation of root canal treatment can be done within the 2 weeks, depending on the situation, and systemic antibiotic and tetanus, if required, has to be given, followed by post-operative instructions. There are complications of reimplantation like inflammatory root resorption, tooth discoloration, pulp canal obliteration, ankylosis, apical periodontitis, fistula, infection. This can be a complication of replantation. Now, if we don't do reimplantation, if it is not possible, and auto transplantation is also not possible, then we have one novel approach which can be used, that is mini implant. It is a screw like 1.2 to 2.3 mm in diameter, 8 to 13 mm in length. It is intermediate or temporary prosthesis can be used or can be given with the help of mini implants. In 1983, Crickmore and Eklund introduced this small size bone screw used as an anchor for elastics in orthodontics, known as temporary anchorage device, usually inserted and remain in place for 6 to 9 months, followed by easy removal. Now I will continue with the case presentation. One patient, Karan Rawal, age 13-year-old, reported Department of Pediatric and Preventive Dentistry with avulsion of 1121. 11 was recovered and extraoral dry time was greater than 60 minutes. Intraoral examination revealed a clean socket of 1121 and all permanent teeth were present in the oral cavity. The 11 extraorally access opening was done, followed by biomechanical preparation and obturation, and reimplantation followed by splinting was done. For 21, mini implant was planned and mini implant was placed into its position. 1.5 into 11 mm threaded mini implant was chosen for the replacement of 21. Abutment selection was done based on the mesodistal dimension of 11. A polycarbonate crown shade A2 was selected, and once the tine was done, and later on the whole polycarbonate crown was filled by the composite and was placed properly at the proper position, and later on curing was done. Immediate post-op, you can see And when we have done, after that, we have checked that it should not come in contact with the opposite teeth. Otherwise, there will be occlusal load on the mini implant tooth. This is post-operative follow-up, 3-month replantation and 1-month mini implant placement. According to Cope et al. 2014, 2 to 8 year of follow-up of orthodontic mini implant in growing individual has shown no deleterious effects such as infraocclusion or bony defects were observed. Oliveira et al. 2017, orthodontic mini implants without surface treatment present minimum osseointegration and rarely cause tissue damage when removed. Therefore, this can be considered as a novel approach for missing permanent tooth due to avulsion. Thank you.